Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for Application, that means VBA series that is running into my channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn three types of loops that are for next loops, do while loops and do until loops. To get the most out of Excel and VBA, you need to know how to use the loops efficiently. In VBA, loops allow you to go through a set of objects, values and analyze it one by one. You can also perform specific tasks for each loop. So at first we are going to move on our first topic, that is for next loop. So at first we need to go to the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic, or you can directly press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into it. Click on Insert and insert a new module by clicking on Module. For next loop works by running the loop the specified number of times. The same logic is used in the for next loop in VBA. You specify how many times you want the loop to run and also specify what you want the code to do each time the loop run. So I'm going to write and run a code that will loop through integers 1 through 10, displaying each with a message box. So starting with the sub procedure by following the procedure name, I am naming it as for loop, then open bracket, close bracket, hit enter. Now press tab and come to the next line of for loop. Type dim I as integer. We declare our variable name by using dim, and whatever we write next to the dim is our variable name, and this one is our variable type. Right now we are going to use for next loop here. Type for I equation 1 to 10, hit the enter button, press tab button, come to the next line of I, type MSG box space I, hit the enter, come to the next line of for. Here type next I, hit enter. Now your code has been completed. Close the Visual Basic editor, go to the developer tab, click on macros, find your code that was for loop, click on it and run that code. Now it is showing a message box displaying the number as 1, and if you press OK, it will show you the numbers till 10. So basically this code loops through integers 1 through 10, displaying each with a message box. Be with this channel, we are going to have a large variety of codes. Using these all codes I have showed and will be showing into my channel. The next topic of today's video is do while loops. Let's get back to the Visual Basic editor. Click on insert and insert a new module where we will write our do while loops. Do while loops will loop while a condition is met. In most computer programming languages, a do while loop is a control flow statement that executes a block of code at least once and then repeatedly executes the block or not depending on a given boolean condition at the end of the block. The do while construct consists of a process symbol and a condition. So let's write that code. Use the sub procedure following the procedure name. I am naming it as do while loop. Open bracket, close bracket, hit enter. Press the tab button, come to the next line of do, type dim. Here I am selecting n as my variable name and its type will be as integer, right? Now type n equals to 1. Here use the do while loop by typing do while n is less than 11, hit enter, press the tab button, come to the next line of while, type msg box space n, hit enter, come to the next line, type n equals to n plus 1 again hit enter, come to the next line of do, type loop, hit the enter button, and again go to the developer tab, click on macros, select that do while loop we have just created and run that code. Look at here, this code will also loop through integers 1 through 10, displaying each with a message box. So let's move on the last topic of today's video, that is do until loops. Do until loops will loop until a condition is met. A do until loop is almost exactly the same as the do while loop. There is just one crucial difference, that is do while type of loop runs until the statement at the beginning resolves to false. So let's again write our code by going through the Visual Basic editor and inserting a new module. Here type sub and following your sub procedure name, I am naming it as do until loops. Open bracket, close bracket, hit enter, come to the next of do, type dim, following your variable name, that is I am selecting n, and the type of our variable is going to be the integer, right? Here in the next line type n equals to 1, come to the next line, here use the do until loop, do until n will be greater than or equals to 10, hit enter, come to the next line, press tab button, come to the next of until, type msg box n, come to the next line, n equals to n plus 1, here go to the under of do, type loop, hit enter. Our code has been completed. Go to the macros and select that do until loop and run it. Look at here, this code is also does the same thing as the previous two examples. So hopefully you like this video. Please share this video with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. I will give you the link of this Excel workbook in the description box. Please check that. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.